So today I'd like to share with you the 4 ways to naturally get rid of roly polies in your garden. Sow bugs, pill bugs, or better known as roly polies, are in the crustacean family. And the pill bugs and the sow bugs, they look alike, except the pill bugs have the ability to roll up into a ball, and the sow bugs, they just run. So roly polies can be very destructive to your garden. And if you want to see if they're eating your garden, the best way is to go out at night with a flashlight, and then you can see them eating the plants in the dark. So here are the top 4 ways to naturally eliminate roly polies from your garden. Number 1 is potato traps. So cut potatoes in half and scoop out the cavity. Lay the potato upside down, and then every morning turn the potato over and then clean the roly polies out into a bucket with a lid and then remove them from the garden. So I like to dump the roly polies into the chicken coop. We never see them again. Alright, number 2 is cantaloupe traps. So cut the cantaloupe in half and scoop out the seeds and the flesh, and then lay the cantaloupe cut side down in the garden. And then in the morning you want to flip the cantaloupe over and scoop out the roly polies and put them in a bucket with a lid, and you can feed them to the chickens or relocate them. The cantaloupe will need to be replaced about every 3 to 4 days because it tends to mold when it's in the garden. Alright, number 3 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is ground up fossilized seashells, and diatomaceous earth works its way up under the shell of the roly polies, causing the roly polies to dehydrate and die. So you want to sprinkle the diatomaceous earth around the garden where you see the roly polies, and you want to repeat this if the diatomaceous earth gets wet. Now before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn other ways to control roly polies in the garden, you can get our Homemade and Organic Pest Control ebook, and you get that for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. We give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide to anyone who will sponsor the show at $8.25. So if you'd like to get the free ebooks, you can pop on over to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Just scroll down that page to find the sponsor section, or you can click on the link below the video. Alright, number 4 is Sluggo Plus. This is an organic listed product that has iron phosphate and spinosad as the active ingredients, and it's effective on a lot of garden bugs, including roly polies. So it comes in pellet form, and you just sprinkle it about the garden. So with just a few household ingredients and some diligence, you can keep your garden free from roly polies.